In front of me is HMD Pulse Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again and tap on Device Unlock. Following that, select Screen Lock and pick one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or password. Then create it. Select Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then hit Confirm. Following that, answer this question by tapping on one of the available options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, hide sensitive content, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you finished, hit Done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!